Click on the link below to get price. The 2015 to 2017 Mustang ROUSH Phase 2 Supercharger 727HP Upgrade Kit 421994 is a game-changer for any Mustang enthusiast looking to boost performance beyond factory specifications. This supercharger kit is designed to elevate the 5.0 V8 engine to an astonishing 727 horsepower, making it an exceptional upgrade for those who crave power and speed. Installation of the ROUSH Phase 2 kit is relatively straightforward, given that it's designed specifically for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang models. The kit includes all necessary components, such as the supercharger, high-flow fuel injectors, a larger air intake system, and an upgraded intercooler. While some mechanical expertise is beneficial, most DIYers will find the instructions clear and easy to follow. It's worth noting that professional installation may be advisable for those less experienced with engine modifications. In terms of performance, the difference is palpable. The supercharger provides instant throttle response, significantly reducing lag and allowing for exhilarating acceleration. Drivers will appreciate the seamless integration with the factory engine management system, ensuring that the vehicle runs smoothly even at higher power levels. The ROUSH Phase 2 supercharger also features a unique design that maintains a low profile, ensuring that the engine bay remains aesthetically pleasing without compromising functionality. Sound is another highlight of this upgrade. The supercharger delivers a distinctive whine that is music to the ears of any performance car lover, all while maintaining a refined tone at cruising speeds. Additionally, the kit includes a warranty, giving buyers peace of mind with their investment. However, with great power comes responsibility. It's essential to pair this kind of upgrade with high-quality fuel and to regularly maintain the vehicle to ensure longevity and reliability. Overall, the ROUSH Phase 2 Supercharger 727HP Upgrade Kit is an outstanding investment for Mustang owners who want to unleash their car's true potential while enjoying the thrill of driving a machine that is as powerful as it is beautiful.